Today we will write a program to display this star pattern. So you observe here, in first row there is only one star, in second row there are 2 stars, in third row 3 stars, and like this in 7th row there are 7 stars. Suppose we make it 3, so in third row there will be 3 stars, in 4th row there will be 4 stars. Okay, so don't worry, for this program I will explain you from the beginning. If you want to download the source code of this program, then that is available on our Android application Programming Tutorials. In this application you can get Python, C, Java, HTML, JavaScript from scratch. Means it is for complete beginners. If you are a beginner and want to learn Python, C, Java, HTML or JavaScript, then I believe that it is the best Android application for you, because it contains video tutorials, quiz, downloadable source codes and notes also. And don't forget to give a review and rating to this application. Okay, so first we will use print statement, and we know to print anything we can use this. So see, simple a star is printed. Suppose we want to print it number of times, then we can use loop. So for I in range 0, 5 print star. So here I left a colon. Okay, so 5 stars printed, but as we know that after printing this string, print statement prints a new line character, so the second star printed on the next line, but we want this on same row, so we will add and equal simple space. Now run this. So now this 5 stars printed on a row. Okay, and like this we need number of rows. Suppose 4 rows we need, so we will take another loop for a row, and 4 rows we need, so we will write range 0, 4, and these 2 lines will be indented so that this will come under this for loop. Okay, so now you see this 5 stars and 4 times means 20 stars printed in a single row. But after printing this 5 stars, means after printing this one row, we need a new line character. So we will write here simple a print statement printing a blank space. Means now you understand what will happen. First it will print in a row these 5 stars. Okay, then this statement comes under this loop. Okay, so after printing 5 stars, it will print a new line character. We used this print statement only for new line character. Okay, so we achieved this one, but we don't want to achieve this actually. In first row there should be only 1 star. Okay, so what we will do? We will use this one. See, when this value of j is 1 means we are in first row. So we will write here j plus 1. So when value of j is 0, here j plus 1 is 1. When value of j is 1, it is j plus 1 means 2. Okay, so let us run this. We achieved it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we want it dynamically. Okay, now it is fixed. So suppose this 4 we will make 6, then it will print 6 rows. But we want to make it dynamic. So we will write a function for this. Star pattern 1, and all these statements will be under that. So we will select it and press tab key. Okay, now here, as we want to make it dynamic, so we will use a parameter n, and instead of this one we will use n. Now here we will write star pattern 1, and within parenthesis we will pass suppose 10. So see, 10 rows printed. Suppose we will pass 5 rows printed. Suppose we will pass 6 rows. Okay, thank you.